In this video, we will discuss about thermodynamics, closed system properties and its applications. Basically, the thermodynamics closed system means the flow properties like pressure, volume and temperature are it's closing to the wet which it will be started and similar to it will be ending to the same position. So in that first cycle in closed system is constant volume cycle. So in this word we know about here is a volume which will be a constant. For example, like we consider about pressure and volume cycle. Pressure is a unit of Newton per meter squared and volume is a unit of kg per meter cube. So in this area we consider as a system 1 and 2, system 1, 2. Here if the volume it will be the same. Here is an 1 and here it will be the 2. So the volume will be in same constant values, but the pressure values is varying. So this is the value of P2 and this is the value of P1. So this point is represent about the P1 V1 comma P2 V2. So this is the constant volume process. So in this constant volume process, the temperature and the pressure relations is like that. P1 by P2 is equal T1 by T2. Constant is volume is equal V1 to V2. So this is the process for constant volume cycle. For similar that another one closed cycle is constant pressure process. Constant pressure process. So in this process, similarly we like and draw about pressure and volume cycle. The unit it will be in a Newton per meter square and volume is in a kg per meter cube. So here is the volume is in a meter cube and here is the repression formula about here is the constant value is P. So in this P is in a constant value and the volume will be it's changing. So here it will be represented about the constant pressure process is P1 V1 and this is P2 V2. So in this area is a constant pressure processed area. Similarly like a constant volume process area. For this the pressure volume temperature relation for this constant pressure process is V1 by V1 by V2 is equal T1 by T2. Consider constant of P1 and P2. So this is the constant volume process and the constant pressure process in closed cycle of aero engineering thermodynamics. And similarly that the remaining properties is constant temperature process and adiabatic process and polytropic process are here. So in this constant volume cycle and the constant pressure cycle, we are having or we need to find about any given values given like pressure, volume or temperature. Additionally, we need to find about the heat transfer value Q and work done and enthalpy H and entropy S. These four properties are we need to find and we need to locate for the constant volume and constant pressure cycle process. It is the under the category of closed system and closed volume cycle. and basically differentiate about the closed cycle and the closed volume cycle is previously we discussed about the flow properties are finishing into the same property which will be started in the stage type of 1. Thank you.